She is, nasa na ba yun? Tingnan mo, na ano pa ako? The Pinoy pop culture icon Miss Jolina Magdangal. Mamaya, grabe no, sa mga OG like din naman si Salve, Don, alamin nga natin the 30 plus years ni Jolina, 3 decades of Jolina Magdangal. Pero parting naman parang kaedad lang nila Piang at saka nila di ba? Okay, that's Jolina Magdangal joining us this afternoon for the finale MediaCon ng Lavender Fields. I like the hair, Mars. Lalong bumata. Okay, giveaway natin si Jolina. Mars, kita muna. Get your mic and greet everyone. Sige. Photo muna tayo. Tara ng set ni Miss Nancy Arcega. Thank you, Miss Nancy and your team. At ang pailaw ni Kuya Roy. At ang pa-music ni Kuya ng technical. Ayun na, di ba? Mars, would you like to greet our members of the media?
Hello!
Wow!
Parang kailan lang pinopromote natin na magkakaroon tayo ng isang magandang proyekto. Pero ito, ang bilis lang talaga. Pero super grateful lang talaga ang pakiramdam. And syempre gusto namin mag-thank you din sa inyong lahat kasi tulong-tulong tayo sa lahat ng ito.
Mars, marami nakapansin, may ibang glow ka daw ngayon. Ano ba yan? Halatang-halata, ang ganda-ganda mo ngayon.
Naggamit ako ng blusher. Hindi
Ayan.
lang. Ano lang, hindi, happy lang talaga.
Yun ang sekreto.
And super grateful. Tsaka kinikilig ako pag yung mga tao tawag sa akin Lily. Oo, pag yung tinatagan na ng character name mo, parang
Lily.
feeling ko na nakikita nila yung effort ng bawat isa. Kaya, thank you.
At mukhang masayang-masaya ka talaga ngayon.
Super, basta mayan. Hindi ako
Kasi
nagchichita.
busy.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mars. You may take your seat as I call in the next lead stars po ng ating Lavender Fields. She is Asia's rising star, Miss Janine Gutierrez. Look at her. Maraming nangyari dito sa show na to. Maraming... Ayan, ano sabi ko? Look at her. Narinig ka ni Kuya. Sige, we'll let you take photos. Si Mark Pelabello will assist Janine sa gitna. Yes, gitna mo na. Wow. No. Happy New Year, Janie!
Kunyari wala ako dito.
Janine dito ako, ato.
Janine dito.
Here po.
Ingat. Thank you ha. Considering po November, natapos ang taping, nagbigay pa rin po ng oras ang ating cast para pasalamat sa inyo this afternoon. Thank you, Julina. Thank you, Nia. You may now. Would you like to greet everyone? Would you like to greet our members of the media attendees today, Ni?
Yes, good afternoon po. So nice to see yung unang salang ng 2025. Thank you so much for coming and thank you sa suporta para sa Lavender Fields simula nung umpisa.
Ayun.
Sobrang naging instrumental kayo para maging successful yung show sa Netflix at sa TV. So nice to see you ngayong matatapos na. Thank you so much.
Would you like to say 2024 was one of your best years?
Yes,
No, ang dami ng
sobra.
ganda nangyari, both professionally and personally. Makaka-clear naman ako ng personally.
Mamaya mag-chichikan pa tayo.
I know. Okay.
Thank you po. Thank you, Sir EJ.
Thank you, Ni. You may take your seat. Mare Julina, stay. At eto na, alam mo, sabi ko nga na Sir Deo must be really smiling down from heaven, down here. Tama ba yung sabi ko? Kasi natuloy niya na si Jericho Rosales dito. He's been dreaming of having Jericho Rosales sa Dreamscape. Alam mo yan, Ni? Please welcome the Asian Drama King, Sir Jericho Rosales. Nakapagtapos po ng series si Jericho, and I understand he is ready to take on another project sa ABS-CBN. Okay, naminig ko ba? Hindi ba kayo pakta?
Ay, may mga ganun pala.
Look at him!
Wait lang, picture na picture. Okay.
4 months of Lavender Fields. September 2 tayo nag-launch. And we are down to our last 10 evenings sa Primetime Bida. Sabi ni Mark,
Thanks, guys.
wala naman ako.
Hi there. May pa ganito?
Ayan. G, Echo, please! Censor muna for photo op.
Yeah.
Ayan. Ay, bagats naman ang forma. I like
Tatay
it.
muna ako. Sige.
I know! Gusto ko itong short hair niya.
Thank you.
Alright.
Hi guys, thank you. Okay, tama na. Iyan na ako.
Hindi na sa...
Grabe naman yung layo.
Hindi,
Ate Jolens ko tumayo.
Echo, greet naman our members ng
Yeah.
press.
Hey guys, Happy New Year. Good to see you guys here. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of time together.
So, daming maganda nangyari sa show na to, no?
So super
I
dami.
know.
So thank you for your support and it's just nice to be here again.
Hirarapin ko talaga. Tapos si Nini nakatingin sa akin.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you,
Thank you
Jericho.
so much.
And of course, please welcome Asia's Best Actress, Miss Jody Santa Maria. Jasmine and Lavender.
Picture lang po. Tama na dito. One more po.
Ang ganda ng makeup, ang mamahaling RB Chanko. Si RB ang siya, si Brent pa sa hair. What I like about Jody talaga ang mga cast natin, pinagkahandaan nilang any media event, nakakatuwa. Mars, sa gitna please. Picture lang muna sa gitna. Ayan, tayo muna Mars. Ayan. Si Bess ang... Hindi na, stay lang. Okay, that's Jody Santa Maria.
Wait lang, don't 24.
Mars, get the mic and say your hi to our media friends.
Ito yung mga magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una gusto ko pong pasalamatan yung presensya ninyo na nandito po kayo ngayon para sa ating finale MediaCon. Halos lahat din naman po kayo nakasama namin nung una po kami nagkaroon ng MediaCon para sa Lavender Fields. At ngayon nga po na umabot na tayo sa yugto ng pagtatapos ng ating programa, nandito pa rin po kayo nakasama namin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon.
Jody for president.
Okay, stand up all four. The 4Js, group photo tayo please.
Oh, ano? 4J's Pizza.
Correct.
Business tayo.
Gusto tayo 4J's.
Ayan na.
Okay, nag-hear ko na.
Oo, paramihan kayo ng pera.
1, 2.
Uy, yan ang uso ngayon. Mga artist, dapat maraming businesses. Sa Echo naman meron na rin yan. Jody meron na. Si Nini meron na.
One more here.
Si Julina yung butterflies.
One year. Totoo na. Ay.
Wow. Ayun na po ang gagawin natin buong maghapon, mag-picture.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Galing nyo yan eh. Sige na, take your seat. Okay, upo na po tayo. You know, at this point, gusto ko pasalamatan ng production dahil talagang kinari nila ito. Dahil today, we get to see a special EVP po ng pagtatapos ng isa sa pinakamatagumpay na serye ng ABS-CBN Studios at ng Dreamscape. Please watch this.
September 2, 2024. Nagsimula ang laban para sa pagmamahal.
Nagpunta ako dito para sabihin sa'yo na hindi na ako babalik.
Kaysa mapunta ka sa iba, mamatay na lang tayong lahat.
Para sa pamilya.
Yung anak ko, wala.
All that matters to me is getting even with that mistress of his.
At paghanap ng katotohanan.
Sa bago mong mukha, ang bago mong pangalan, Lavender Fields. Hindi ako tigilan kung gusto na ba?
Mula umpisa, damang-dama namin ang inyong suporta. The scoreline consistent sa top 10 most watched series on Netflix.
Thank you so much.
Galing ah.
Always on top sa IYTFC.
Love na lang.
With an all-time high peak concurrent views of 755,332. Hanggang sa nalalapit na pagtatapos, gabi-gabing tinututukan ng bayan.
It has always been a prayer na sana magustuhan ng mga tao yung pinaghirapan natin. Kasi hindi naging madali yung proseso sa Lavender Fields.
Sobrang saya talaga na mapabilang sa cast ng Lavender Fields kasi sobrang husay ng lahat ng artista at sobrang ganda ng kwento.
After many years, I still learned a lot. I improved a lot. And of course, what makes it more exciting each and every time, we're topping the charts.
It was indeed a beautiful experience working with Direk Jojo and Direk Manny, my co-actors. Hindi madali gumawa na isang action serye. Mas gumagaan yung trabaho pag meron kang mga kasama na alam mo na katuwang mo.
Every day is a new challenge. Fulfilling kapag nagawa mo yung mga bilan ng mga director and lalong mas fulfilling kapag nagustuhan ng mga kapamilya at lahat ng mga nanonood.
It's a great reunion for Direct Manny and I. Same with Direct Jojo. Of course, the production team I love. For the cast, they're very hardworking. They deserve a lot of those.
Naglalagablab ang inyong pagmamahal.
Napakalaking proyekto. Challenging, pero ang iba ko sa akin yung memorable and fun.
Finally, the Filipino actors, artists has now got into the Netflix international viewership. Now we're global, so I'm glad I'm part of it.
Hindi lang ako happy dahil sa resulta lang. Pero happy ako dahil yung samahan namin, yung namin, ganun kami kahit sa set.
Our aim is to entertain. Ang inyong reaksyon ay napaka-importante din. Maraming salamat sa inyong panunood.
I portrayed a character that allowed me to explore deeply as an actor and being surrounded with veteran actors and amazing people. It will make me a better actress.
Ang dami po nila tinuturo sa amin. Ang dami po kami natututunan sa kanila. Masaya po ako na nabigyan po ako ng opportunity na ganito, ng Dreamscape, and the late Sir Deo Edrigan po. Thank you po sa amin.
With theme song written and performed by Ogie Alcacid and Regine Velasquez Alcacid and produced by Jonathan Manalo. Buksan hanggang katapusan.
You're trespassing.
Ikaw kidnapping. Sobrang dami talagang nangyari. Ang harap niyo, girl.
Love hurts.
Mamamatay tao ka rin kagahan ng tatay mo. Pwede, kung ikaw ang papatayin.
Oh my gosh.
That's what you think.
I can guarantee na mabubulabog ang kanilang panonood ng ating finale.
Love kills.
Pag napanood nila yung finale,
Tayo may kasalanan.
Nandiyan pa rin yung Iris na kilala ko. Yung tumayong pangalawang magulang. Pangalawa na naman.
Hintayin natin.
ako ang lalabas na bida dito sa show na to.
Love never dies.
Ako gusto mo, hindi ba? Ito na ako, oh! Huwag mo nang saktan yung bata!
Mga kapamilya, abangan ang engranding pagtatapos ng Lavender Fields.
Lavender Fields, ang huling pagtutuos. Weeknights, 8:45 p.m.
Wow! I would like to thank the team, Adprom team of Fiona and Meg and Pelo and for shooting the AVP. Thank you, ang galing. And the edit na ginawa ng CCM. Thank you. Okay, at this point, iisa lang muna ako bago ko i-distribute yung sa kayong apat. How was the Lavender Fields journey? Kasi 4 months pala, no? Halos 4 months tayo sa ere. How was it? Let's start with Jelena. Kasi pagbabalik mo to after how many years, Mare?
9 years. Iba yung feeling ko talaga dahil nga siguro parang nangapa ako ulit. Pero nung nakasama ko sila, parang hindi ko naramdaman na nangangapa ako kasi yung support at saka yung pero pag walang actingan talagang alam mong kakwentuhan mo talaga mga kaibigan mo ganun.
Dinala mo yung ref mo doon sa set, di ba?
Hindi, pero ang pinaka gusto ko talaga yung mga kwentuhan in between takes kasi mas nakikilala yung tao tapos meron ako na iuuwi na ikinukwento ko sa mga anak ko pagkatapos ng trabaho na alam ba kung ni Tita Jody or ni Tita Nini tsaka ni Tito Eko. Kabarkada na nga ni Vic, itong mga ito, di ba? So parang natutuwa ako na kahit pag-uwi, nararamdaman ko na nagiging part talaga sila ng aking araw-araw. Pero naiisip ko na hindi porket natapos yung show ay matatapos yung connection na yun, di ba? Parang every time na makikita ko pa rin ang isa sa kanila or isa sa inyo, feeling ko meron tayong mapapag-usapan na pwede nating balikan.
Kasi
di ba?
iba-ibang generation kayo, no? Ahead si Echo, sumunod si Jody, tas ikaw, and then si Janine, medyo bunso. Parang gano'n. Sabi kayo ni Echo.
Hindi.
Thank you EJ for using the word ahead. I love you talaga.
Hindi,
Ikaw
kasi-
talaga yung perfect.
Sorry,
Ikaw yung
kasi
perfect moderator talaga.
Julie na forever
Kasi-
young eh.
Dun sa kabila, grabe.
Uy, may puti rin akong buhok. Hindi ako lang.
So, mamimiss mo to, ma.
Mamimiss ko kasi ibang family din ang ganito sa live, sa interview, sa Magandang Buhay. Iba rin.
Ganyan ka naman.
Iba,
eh.
oo, lahat talaga. Nasasipangs nga ako nung une, pero parang dinidedma ko na lang kasi ayaw makita nila na mamadrama akong tao. Pero nalulungkot ako na yung biglang naputol, di ba? Yung lagi tayo nagtrabaho tapos biglang
November,
nawala.
nag-end na, no? Kung kailan
Yes.
magpapasko na, tapos saka kayo parang
True.
natapos
Pero
yung taping.
magkita naman tayo.
Of course, oo, ngayon, di ba?
yun lang.
Alright. At syempre sabi ko nga, 3 years, she was one of our best bagong entry, freshest entry sa Dreamscape.
Thank you so
It was-
much.
It was because of the Deo and Gina.
Yes,
And now she
yes,
consistently does projects with us. And we're so happy. She always, she never fails to deliver. Ni Janine Gutierrez.
Thank you! Grabe!
Ang gaganda rin ng ano mo, yung
Sobrang-
ginawa mo sa Dreamscape, ano?
Yeah, sobrang swerte ko. And I'm so...
Experimental yung iba, ha?
Experimental.
Di ba
Grabe.
kayo ni ni Lovey, di ba?
Oh yeah,
Medyo.
Sleep With Me. Yes. Grabe, yung pagpapasalamat ko talaga kay Sir Deo. Kasi kanina nga nung pinapanood ko sila Ate Jody, Ate Jolens dun sa ASAP stage, parang, grabe, pangarap ko lang to dati. Nakatawa nga kasi.
Napapanood mo lang sila noon.
Oo naman! Hindi, tsaka hindi ko naman din inakala. I mean, syempre pangarap ko, pero at the same time, minsan yung mga pangarap, di mo naman alam kung matutupad, di ba? So, nandyan lang siya at the back of your head, hoping na, baka sakali.
Nung Tabing Ilog tsaka PSY, ilang taon ka nun ni?
Hindi
Ni
ko
Kuya
alam.
Eko. Oh my God! Si Eko pala original pa nga ako sa'yo. Pinanonood mo lang si Eko.
Pero nakakatawa, Sir EJ, kasi...
Ayaw na baka naman masyado.
Hindi kasi ang dami
Ayan na, may
ng mga
special kwento.
ang dami ng lumabas na compilation sa Instagram na sinasabi ko kung sino yung mga gusto kong makatrabaho.
Tapos nangyari
Jericho,
na.
Ate
Oo.
Jody. Of course, Ate Jolens kasama ko sa ASAP before, pero pareho kaming na teleserye. So, nakakatuwa na talagang nagdidilang anghel yung mga wish ko. So, thank you to Dreamscape and ABS-CBN and of course, lahat ng sumusuportang fans kasi nabibigyan ako ng pagkakataon na matupad talaga yung mga
Kapipirma mo
ko.
lang, so hindi wala pa pang pwedeng i-reveal from what was signed.
What was signed?
Siguro i-announce na lang natin. When it's there na.
So I'm so grateful lang. Thank
Alright.
you.
Thank you. And of course, sabi ko nga, Sir Deo must be smiling now kasi natuloy na.
Thank you, Sir Deo.
Oo. And Jericho Rosales. Thank you again. Hindi kami magsasawang magpasalamat, Echo. You have no idea how much si Jody was so appreciative. Sinasabi niya sa akin, Mars, happy ako tinanggap ni Echo.
Oh.
The lavender feels.
sobrang ano nga eh. Hindi ko na, binuo ko na yung show eh. hindi ko na mahindihan
Nung
talaga.
nagbalik ka, todo rin naman, di
Hindi
ba?
kasi di ba dapat guesting siya?
Oo.
Tapos sabi ko, hindi pwede, dapat tuloy-tuloy. But still bitin pa rin. But I'm so happy, thank you. Malaki yung, lagi kong kinukwento to na may utang ako sa Dreamscape dati, kay Tito Deo. Kasi
Lagi siyang may offer.
nauudlot yung mga shows palagi. Oh, kasi wala eh. Gusto ko lang maging bum eh. So,
Ay, gusto mo maging rockstar, no?
Joke lang.
Di ba? Andyan pa rin naman.
Hindi. Ibig sabihin, talagang it was really, a long time coming talaga. May makatrabaho yung Dreamscape. And then, when pumasyal ako sa ABS, just so happens na, hey, we have a show for you. I was like, Rondel. And then sila, Tito Deo just passed me. I was like, game.
Kuya-kuya mo naman yung
Sila
mga
Joel,
Oo.
Joel, okat-okat pa lang.
True.
Yeah, and then, so, yeah, I'm so happy. Dreamscape, just sabihin ko na sa inyo personal kasi ayoko magselos yung mga ibang mga...
Oh, don't have to. We're not
But I had
gonna
a
put you in
really,
trouble.
really great time with Dreamscape.
Of course.
And it was just such a nice feeling lang.
Iba aura mo ngayon, Echo.
Siyempre.
Ang gwapo, ang fresh.
Thank you so much.
I like the hair.
Thank you so much, EJ.
I know.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, so thank you. Lavender Fields really made my 2024 super memorable.
Oo, sana tuloy yung movie mo this year, tsaka mo,
Tuloy naman siya.
oo.
We'll be shooting na next month.
I admire your,
Thank
your
you
new
so much.
management din naman.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Jay. Thank
And
you.
of course, another, she made it to the top, A-lister. Jody Santa Maria. Mars, how was the journey, the Lavender Fields journey?
I would say, una-una syempre, exciting. Kasi parang, I've been in this industry for X number of years. Sinabi kong ilan. And then I've always wanted to do something new. Sabi ko parang gusto ko lang ng iba. And then I'm just so blessed na mabigyan ng isang programa na or isang genre na never ko pang nagawa.
Totoo,
Ito
sa,
nga ang-
sa 20 plus, sa almost 24, 25
Sinabi ko na X number of years. Anyway, so nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na gumawa ng isang genre na hindi ko pa nagawa before. And I must say na hindi siya naging madali. Very challenging siya. But at the same time, nakakatuwa yung mga ganong klaseng experiences kasi doon tayo natututo, doon tayo nag-grow. And I must say na marami rin akong natutunan sa show na to. I'm blessed to have worked with, excellent and talented people. Thank you sa
Sobra.
inyo. Thank you sa lahat ng mga
Dreamcast to.
nakasama.
Isa sa mga love na love kong casting
Nakasama
na
ko.
ginawa.
And it was a beautiful journey. I'm not gonna say na naging madali, pero 'di ba sabi nga nila, parang the harder the conflict, the more glorious the triumph. So, I think yun din yung special about Lavender Fields. Kahit sabihin mo na may mga challenges along the way, pero siguro yun din yung naglabas nung siguro creativity, artistry, at kung ano man ang kailangan namin para sa mga roles namin. And of course, syempre hindi natin pwedeng isantabi yung talaga naman yung ibinuhos ng ating mga writers, ng creative team. Hindi madali gumawa ng isang storya, hindi madaling gumawa ng isang serye. Magtahi-tahi ng mga characters,
It takes a
gumawa ng
village. It takes a village.
yun naman talaga. Kaya, hindi lang siya isang tao. Kumbaga, grupo ito
Sobra.
ng mga tao. So, isa
Na
to sa mga
mahuhusay na tao.
programa na hindi ko makakalimutan.
Ngayon lang ulit ako nagka-catch up. Ma'am, bihira, pinapalam ko sa ibang shows. Ngayon ito talaga kinaka-catch up ko sa kahit sa I Want.
Kung iniisip niyo po kanong challenges na sinasabi ni Jody, yung lamig lang po ng aircon dito sa bed namin.
Lamig kasi
Yung
ako
baho siya sa sarili niya dito siguro. Parang, ang tagal mo rin kasing medyo dungis-dungis ka dito, di ba?
Oo, ilang araw
I know.
yun. Yung
Awang-awa
pagkadugyot
na
na
nga
yun.
ako sa'yo eh. Bulag ka na, namamagana.
Pero yun, masayang journey siya.
Ayun. And with that question, thank you all for coming. Charot lang. At this point, At this point, ibibigay ko na po kayo para sa isang chikahan with our, you may now take your seats, everyone. Iupo na po natin si Jody, si Jolina, si Echo, tsaka si Ni sa bawat table. This taga-TV naman.
Wait lang. Yung... Alright, ako first.
Hey, Jodes!
Uupo po si Belia Flores.
Alright. Ako first of all, congratulations sa pagbabalik mo sa
Thank you.
teleseries with Lavender Fields.
Oh, yeah.
Your thoughts about, Lavender Fields ending in 10 days?
Okay, Janine is joining the group of Miss Salvi and Dondon and Irvin and Miss Chami. Hindi ko na perfect talaga. Charmy. Miss Iza. Roldan. Hannah. Miss Hannah Mallorca.
EJ!
Parang payat ka lang naman.
EJ!
Just kidding.
So noisy.
Simula na ba?
Okay. This is actually one of the It's sweet, I think. Parang feeling ko hinog na hinog siya. It's just enough. It's not too long. Tamang-tama lang yung size niya, yung length niya, yung intensity niya. But the last 10 days would be, I'm so excited to watch the last 10 days. I want to see the edit, and kasi wala kaming preview and but some of my favorite scenes will be in the last 10 days of Lavender Fields.
Wow.
I'm very happy. I made a decision last year. I said it's going to be a yes year. I'm going to come back. I'm going to be seen again on TV and film and music, on stage and everything. And Lavender Fields really helped me a lot in terms of reintroducing myself as an actor. Gusto mo yung reintroducing myself as an actor? No, but getting people seeing me again on TV. And now with streaming, ganyan, sa Netflix of course, diba? So wider reach, and I'm happy with the response, and 2024 talaga is so memorable because of Lavender Fields.
You've had, of course, diba, from the Pangako Sa'yo days up until now,
Yeah.
that this is also a hit very much. Pero
Yeah.
iba na nga yung landscape. What was the difference for you sa audience reaction that you got this time around versus yung mga days
Sorry,
na...
time's up.
Ay, yun na. Hindi, versus the days na talagang old media,
Oo.
television lang talaga yung pinapanood ka.
Oh, this is a lot. It's wider and kung saan ka mapapanood, di ba?
Oo.
So, and then they can zoom in, zoom out, save clips, you know what I mean? Edit themselves and
Natawa
everything.
ka ba sa edits mo? Pinapanood mo ba?
Pinapanood siya. But I mean, the reach is different, and the game is different. Like before, everyone will sit down and watch TV, and that's it. You get Pangako Sa'yo would get steady 40 rating. Meaning 40% of the Filipinos watching. 50%. Our highest before was like before. But now you have to work so much more because ang dami mo ng kalaban, and I'm so proud of Lavender Fields because we made it to top 10 consistently. It never left Netflix top 10 shows.
Yes.
So that's something, and I think it's beyond content, it's cultural. And alam nung writers namin ano yung importante sa mga characters, ano yung gusto nila mapanood, ano yung mga lessons na makuha nila, ano yung entertainment na makuha nila. It's like a very, very tough balancing act because we love our teleseries. So I was telling them that. So yeah, I am so happy to experience making shows pre-internet and then now, parang ganyan. So, I'm a proud dinosaur.
Pero so yes year ba ulit ng 2025 for you?
Oh, this year's different. So last year was like yes to all new experiences and saying yes to like great opportunities, and then this year it's going to be, well, I still haven't had my meeting with my team, with my management, but I'm feeling more of like, let's go bolder this year. Let's go more creative this year.
Wow.
Let's go more fearless this year, and let's just reach for our dreams this year. It's that kind of year.
Ano pang dreams yun?
I have a lot of plans, like now, of course, film plans, diba? Music plans, and all. So I also wear like a creative hat, behind, off cam. So I have my team for that also, but I'm also a newbie producer, diba? So I've been working with a lot of creative people, and I'm about to shoot a film, which I'm so excited about. I'm nervous, super scared. So it's all going to be films this year, and of course, I think one show with Janine is going to happen this year also.
Oh, wow!
They announced it in Araneta. Hindi namin alam kung makakanta kami, so they were announcing it. Oh, so we'll see. But these are going to be from people I respect so much, and it will be a great series.
So the one with Janine is also Dreamscape?
I don't think so. I don't know yet. But I have details, but I don't want to say it yet until nandyan na. But the creator of the show and the creators and the showrunners would be Basta surprising siya.
And ako, I remember during the press con for Lavender Fields before, syempre na-corner ka na namin noon about, dating Janine
Oh,
and
yeah.
everything. Oo, kwento mo naman kami. Any update about your relationship? Narinig namin kung paano tawagan niyo on YouTube. May baba na pala kayong tawagan niyo. So, can you just give us an update if you're comfortable with us?
Ano naman? I mean, what you see is what you get naman with me. And it's a different season now, and we've entered a new energy kami ni Janine because we met during the show, and we got to know each other as persons, and then artists, and then we really enjoyed working together. In fact, we're so bitin to working together. Kaya that's one of the reasons I was like, okay, let's do another show kung meron, or another film. And then natapos na yung Lavender Fields, and then the holidays arrived, and of course got to know her family, they got to know me more, and then I got to know her more, and so we've just entered into this like new energy, which is nice. We're not co-workers, we're not co-actors, we're just us, right? So yun na lang bahala mag-piece together. I'm not, I wanna wait for her to say something just like as a gentleman, but of course we're very happy sa company ng isa't isa, and I'm not naman one to make landi-landi pakipot-pakipot pa or parang ganun, but we really are, we're fun together. So
That's nice.
before I say stuff na dapat hindi ko muna sinasabi, manager ko nakangiti. Kinikilig siya. Kinikilig silang dalawa.
Or nakabantay sa next
Hindi, okay lang yan. But yeah. So, I'll wait for Janine. So, mga siya, kaya pinupuntahan ko siya.
Ayan.
But anyway.
Di ba parang ikaw na yung pinag-uusapan niya?
Ako ba?
Oo, narinig ko echo eh. May echo ako narinig.
Yeah, it's just really nice because we don't only like each other, but we like the stuff that we look forward to, things together, like work, and then things to eat, things to do, ganyan. Places to see, and but what I love about it is just two actors and two artists really sharing the right energy.
Actually, you were always, you always loved your private time. But this time, parang it's ironic na you met her in a professional setting. But then again, na-enjoy niyo yung private time.
Yeah. Of course, hindi pa rin naman ako ganun. Ganun pa rin naman. Some stuff will be left, at home or wherever, But if anything that's helpful and nakaka-inspire, why not share? That's it.
Very supportive ka. You went to Tokyo with her.
Yeah, why not? It's Tokyo. And I watched the film. I watched Fantosmia of Love Diaz, which dun siya, diba? And I watched it there in Japan. We spent the day watching with kasama namin mga Japanese movie lovers, diba? 4 hours of watching. I couldn't stand up. She was like, "Are you okay? Yeah, please, ikaw na lang kumuha ng food or whatever, because I cannot. I was just watching. Ronnie Lazaro is amazing. I saw, Love Diaz is my dream to be in one of his films. And she did so well. Janine was just like heartbreaking in that movie. Of course, it's hard to sit through 4 hours for a normal, moviegoer, right? But for me, I was just like, my heart broke for the characters. Ang galing talaga. And they were clapping and they loved it. I was so proud na munti ko na nga i-announce na dito yung artista, she was so shy, nagtatago. Ba't ka nagtatago? But it was quite an experience.
Ikaw, balikan ko lang
Yeah.
sa Lavender Fields.
Yes, please, thank you.
So, napapanood namin na napakaganda ng mga eksena, tapos last 10 days na lang. Kung ikaw bang tatanungin, parang if ever gusto mo ba bang ma-extend sa
Hindi na, yun na yung buhay niya. Oo, yun na yun. Gumanda siya kasi yun yung length niya. Ako nga kung gusto mo, papaiksiin ko pa yan.
Talaga?
Oo, papaiksiin ko pa yan. Parang ganun. But of course, it's hard to leave a home. Kasi yun ang kasama mo eh. Kahit ako, pinapanood ko siya, pinagpupuyatan ko siya, diba? But it's hard to, but time for another one. Tsaka nakakapagod na si Jodie, makipagbakbakan, si Janine, pagod ng maging Iris because that's not really her as a person. Si Jolina parang gusto niya pa. But me, I'm like, sweet na. I wanted nga for my character to die during the conference. And oh shit! Hindi ko muna
So, di alam ko na mangyayari.
Wala.
Sa last, kasi madami pa daw plot twist sa last 10 days.
Madami pa. Marami pang mangyayari. But if you ask me, sakto na siya. I like the series na maiksi lang. Okay na ako sa maiksi lang.
Do you appreciate that more as an actor? Kasi ba dati
Yeah.
parang they ask you, hindi extend pa natin kasi mataas yung ratings, o kung ano-ano. Diba?
No, okay na ako. Busog na ako dun sa character ko na yun. Para mas marami akong magawa, diba? As an
Correct.
actor. I mean, of course, if you're a household name, it's always going to be hard to leave a show. Especially, say for example, let's say Batang Quiapo or what else is like out there, diba? You know, Coco is like a household name na and people really watch and they love their tanggol, di ba? Na gusto nila araw-araw nandun siya, this is there. No, for me, I'm different. I'm going to be there always. Pero gusto ko ng iba-iba na, na shows. It was just a choice. There's nothing bad here or there.
If you want to extend it.
As an actor, it's my choice. It's my choice to do a lot of things. And my dream kasi talaga is to work with the best in the world. And when that's your goal in life, you're going to constantly face new people, emerging artists, emerging filmmakers, and creators, parang ganyan. You're going to be presented with so many different situations.
And speaking of that, you were saying na in production, how long have you been in it?
Like as a newbie producer.
Yes, oo.
Took years for me to find the writers and the producers that I'm going to work with, the stories that so I was on hunting mode. Okay, it took years for me to hunt and wala, yun talaga eh.
Nahanap mo?
Oo, I mean nakakasana kami. So I've already planned the next before our next start, it was a 3-year plan with my management, and then we said we have goals. And the first year was like, wow, we did so well. And this year is going to be
Mga
for a third year.
kapamilya, last 2 minutes.
Ito nga
Last
pala ang
2
PPE.
minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Anyway, but producing for me is not just putting money out or looking for the money but it's for me it's looking for the right people to work with so that when we start filming it's just going to be fun. And hindi ako nagmamadali kasi I've been working since I was 14, 15 and I just want to have fun. So I want people to work with me and I want them to have fun also. But it's an exciting year for me and hindi na siguro ako magsasalita ng sobrang dami kasi I'll just let the work be presented na lang. Darating na siya.
Kailan namin asahan?
But in February, you'll see me promoting a film na. Yeah, I'll be shooting in February na. And it's going to be the biggest film in terms of like preparation and I guess size and excitement and challenge. It could be one of my most challenging.
Exciting.
I know, super exciting. Yes, super duper exciting.
See you like experimental films or indie films like John Lloyd.
This will be for me, a film is a film. Okay, film is a film, and bumalik ako sa industry natin after resting na walang angst. Wala akong gigil, wala akong galit. I just had to deal with that during the pandemic. And I had to get to know myself. And I respect film in whatever form. I respect that in kahit ano. But if for mas madali lang na
Mga kapamilya, change court na po tayo.
it's commercial films is what I'm working on. Yeah. I mean, films for everybody. Yeah, parang ganyan. So, yun. Nothing against like indie and stuff. I mean, I still consider myself like an indie, filmmaker. But this will be for the general public. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Nakakatuwa itong may change court, no?
Knowledge ko lang syempre, the course.
Thanks, guys. Super fun. Super.
This is for family.
Iko-confirm lang ako kay kanina.
Vince Villamar, Mary de la Peña. Ayan sila.
Alright. Ready tayo, kuya? Ang laki ba ng straw? Alright. Janine, first of all, congratulations. What a wonderful 2024 it's been. And dito. And kayo naman 2025, of course, maraming aabangan na projects for you. Pero kwento mo naman kami, gaano ka-excited for the last 10 days of Lavender Fields?
I'm so excited. Kagabi, nagbe-binge watch na ako para makahabol ako sa bagong episodes ng Lavender Fields. Kasi, pati kami, we really look forward to seeing the final output kung paano lalabas sa TV at sa Netflix. So, excited ako. Lalo na nung nakita ko yung teaser kanina, sobrang pasabog nung ending.
Lahat ng mga roles na ginampanan mo naman with ABS-CBN, talaga namang tumatak. Pero what can you say about your role as Iris? Very different siya sa'yo. Sabi nga ni Echo kanina, very different si Iris sa'yo. So, what can you say about your role?
Sobrang challenging siya. I salute all the amazing contrabidas of the Philippines kasi ang hirap. Ang hirap to portray a role na dapat kamuhian ka. Pero at the same time, lahat naman ng ginagawa ng kontrabida may rason, diba? So, grateful ako sa napakahusay ng mga writer ng ABS-CBN for creating such challenging and deep roles na to the point na meron pa rin pumapanig kay Iris kahit siya dapat yung hero.
What's next for you in this 2025?
I'm doing a series with Echo. Meron with Echo and then meron something else. So, yun, sobrang excited din ako.
Under Dreamscape din ito.
I'm not sure. Under ABS, yung sa amin ni Echo, of course, under ABS.
Can you give us a little more details about the upcoming series? Anong genre or...
I don't know kung ano pang pwede kong i-share as of now. Pero pinakita naman yung title ng Christmas special. So, yung sa amin ni Echo, The Accused. So,
Wow. Parang bigat title pala.
wala pa title? Ay, charot. Pakibura na lang. Oh my God. Sinabi ko din dun sa kabilang table. Talaga? Mayroon lumahi. Wala.
I-restrict na lang namin.
Mayroon kaya. Nakita ko sa social media.
Okay lang, i-restrict namin.
Special lang.
Say special pala po kayo na.
Wala.
So, wala pa akong ma-share.
Wala kami na. Very active ka din sa vlogging. This past, very active ka sa vlogging. You vlogged about the Tokyo trip for Fantasmia. Can you tell us more about, vlogging? Parang you're getting into it talaga.
Actually, yung Tokyo, hindi ko naman talaga balak i-vlog. Kaya lang, sabi ni Echo, alam niyo yung sa YouTube, yung madaming mga kinocompile lang yung pictures niyo sa Instagram, tapos may AI na boses na, si Jennifer Cherries. Na minsan kababalaghan yung title or ganyan. So sabi ni Echo, pati na lang ikaw mag-post para dun mismo sa channel mo and na makwento mo talaga yung from your POV. Sabi ako, nga no. Kaya lahat nung nasa vlog na yon, pa-stories lang yung hugis. Kasi wala naman talaga akong balak. Pero dahil dyan, na-inspire na nga ako to do that more and really share more of the behind the scenes para sa lahat ng mga interesado.
Akala ko yun yung panlaban mo sa mga AI posts tungkol sa'yo.
Yun nga, diba? So better na pala na
Galing
from
sa'yo.
yourself
Owning
na.
your narrative.
Tama. So, galing talaga ni Echo.
And Janine, kasi kanina we were able to ask Echo, nung Lavender Fields press con tayo before,
Umami naman si Echo.
Sumakit na ulo mo sa akin. Sorry
Umami naman si Echo about you guys are dating. Pero can you give us a little bit more now naman ngayon na it's been months already.
May sinabi siya.
Ano sabi
Sabi
niya?
niya, you're entering a new energy. Anong energy?
Energy?
Yeah,
Ano
energy.
sabihin nun? Sabi niya naman gusto niya
Sobrang
maging
Gen Z.
gentleman. So gusto niya ikaw na lang yung kung ano yung
Ba't ako? Ang traya talaga nito. Parang divide and conquer, pinaghiwalay kami, tapos kanya-kanyang tanong.
So,
Pero
anong
what's the
energy
real
yun?
score sa inyo dalawa?
Parang siya na lang. No, di pa ko yan.
Pero ano yung energy?
Energy?
You're entering a new energy daw. Kasi nga, di ba, you spent Christmas with your families, holidays.
Hindi ko alam kung anong ibig sabihin niya doon. So, huhulaan ko na lang. Siguro, I think, coming from Lavender Fields, na pareho kaming medyo masasama sa teleserye. I guess like moving on to new roles and yung talagang positive vibes this 2025. At hopefully maging masaya talaga sila sa ending and happy sila sa kahihinatnan ng bawat character.
Pero would you say parang mas lumalim na yung relationship yung dalawa ngayon ni Echo? Lalo na sa vlog, parang you're very comfortable in calling him Baba, ikaw, siya din gano'n. So would you say that mas
Weird ba na kami nagsabing baba? Baba? Nakikibaba na.
nakikipapa tawa?
Bakit baba?
Actually, mahaba ang kwento yun. Parang may mga iba pa siyang origin.
Baba ba? Charot.
Sana sabihin na lang kami nandito, no? No, I guess lang, parang magaan lang lahat. So, not too careful. Yung parang chill lang and in the moment. So, saya.
They're happy ka.
Yeah, super, super happy ako. And I'm so grateful for all the blessings and for Lavender Fields na naitawid and successful yung show. I'm so grateful. Ang galing lang nung lahat ng nangyari last year and looking forward to more sana this 2025.
Would you say you're more comfortable? I mean, after Iris, are you comfortable doing more kontrabida?
Yeah, pero I don't want to do it again anytime soon.
Nakakapagod.
It's so hard. It's so hard. Talagang masakit siya sa ulo.
Pero Janine, what was your North Star? Kasi hindi lahat ng
Yeah.
contemporary mo kasi lucky. Hindi lucky because you worked hard eh. Parang kasi fortunate mo na to land, di ba? From 30 Lene, Fantosmia, this one. Lahat memorable. What was your North Star nung pumipili ka ng projects?
I am lucky. I am super lucky. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako. Siguro lang din. I just really am blessed na mabigyan ng pagkakataon na mapasama sa projects na talagang gusto ko yung kwento din. At saka kakaiba yung characters. Nakakagawa ako ng iba-iba na roles at saka stories from Dirty Linen to sobrang lahat sila magkakaiba. So happy ako about that and to get different scripts and na may nagtitiwala sa akin to do roles na ako mismo hindi ko alam kung kaya ko pala itong Iris. Sobrang challenging siya. So I'm so grateful na merong mga nakakakita ng kakayahan ko bago pa ako.
Sinong dream mo makatrabaho this year?
Oo nga, kasi nagkakatotoo talaga lahat ng sinasabi ko. Well, excited ako talaga to do another show with Echo. Na ibang kwento naman. Sino ba? Well, pangarap ko din na makagawa ng or mapasama sa international na film or series. So, that's something din na hopefully magawa natin this 2025.
What are you doing for that? Nag-audition ka ba?
No.
Hindi, minamanifest mo kasi
Pinamanifest ko lang. Pinamanifest ko lang na sana ba lang maging ko, parang Miss Dolly na she was discovered through her Filipino work. Diba? Doing good work in the Philippines and gaining recognition from that. Tapos gusto ko ding makatrabaho ng mga international projects and hopefully more of yung katulad ng nangyari sa Fantosmia na umiikot sa iba't ibang mga festivals. So, yun talaga yung mga pangarap ko and hopefully
may producers na.
Hindi din ako chumika eh. Dami kong gusto pero wala pala akong ginawa.
Manifest nga. Let the work do the talking.
Yeah. So I'm just so happy to have, itong mga project na iba-ibang klase talaga and to work with yung best of the best sa Pilipinas kasi talagang ang laking bagay para sa akin na makatrabaho sila.
With Iris, how do you shape up the character? Kasi marami
Parang
oo. Actually, nung napack up kami, siguro mga 3 days na parang sobrang nalulungkot ako. It's parang, ano bang nangyayari sa akin? Sisip ko, shucks, na kay Iris pa din ako. Na parang I really felt bad for her. Kasi kahit na kontrabida siya, syempre, kinailangan kong intindihin kung bakit siya ganun eh. So for me, in my head, si Iris talaga yung tama, di ba? Siya yung naagawan, siya yung ganyan. Na when the show ended, sana abangan niyo yung ending para maintindihan niyo. Naawa ako sa kanya. Nalungkot talaga ako ng ilang araw. So, nagpagupit ako ng short hair. Hindi lang nakikita now, pero yun yung pagpag ko na parang, kasi yung Iris kasi, iniba ko din talaga yung makeup niya and yung outfits niya para easier din for me na Iris yung acting, hindi ako. So, nung parang tinay ko lang bumalik sa yung ako na ulit. Ang weird ba pakinggan? Pero bigat kasi ni Iris yung sakit talaga niya sa ulo. So,
And you on your personal life naman, parang you posted on Instagram that you nag-change ka ba ng location mo ngayon?
Yun, naglilipat ako.
You're doing a lot of parang adulting.
Yes.
Talagang, so can you share more about, how are you doing your life now compared to last year or mga past years?
I guess siguro parang getting older din. Being more specific lang siguro about your goals at yung mga pangarap mo. And after nung Venice kasi parang naisip ko din na, oh, shucks, posible pala. Yung mga gusto mo talagang mangyari if you work hard at galingan mo sa abot ng makakaya mo. Kaya mo din talaga maabot yung mga pangarap mo. So, work hard lang talaga and allow the space for that.
Thank you so much. Okay na tayo, Janine. Okay na tayo, Janine. Ako okay na din ako.
Janine.
Ang dami mong ida-damage control dun sa kabilang table.
Ito bawal pa talaga. Hindi ko talaga pwede.
Alam mo, nakita ko talaga siya. Kasi nakalimutan ko na yung title eh.
Sa Christmas special?
Nakita ko siya somewhere. Kasi nakalimutan ko na yung title. It's nakita ko online. So, pala yun na pala yung title.
So parang ang bigat. Bigat mo.
So drama siya.
Off the record.
Pero hindi namin lalabas pero drama kaya.
Parang ang bigat eh. Parang,
Bigat na naman.
so Dreamscape na yun.
I'm not sure yet.
But film? But film, you're doing, nag-pack up ka ba ng film? Have you done a film recently or are you gonna do?
Iniisip niya talaga yun.
Over
Wala na talaga yung iniisip mo. I-restrict namin.
Hanapin ko online.
Parang may
talaga
resibo. May resibo. Dito ko lang pinick up yun.
Biktima lang ako. Tsaka virus talaga. Meron din dapat. Pero serious mo.
Yung isa, sinabi mo, not with. So yun yung international. Charan.
Sabi, nagpunta ka ng Tokyo, may mga nag-hit ka na possible makawin international.
Ayaw nga doon niya magpakita, sabi ni Eka. Ayaw niya nga sabihin.
Nagtatago ka daw.
Nahiya lang ako. Gusto mag-international pero nahihiya. Paano ba yun? Guys, hindi ko niya nabala. Ang galing niyo, dito nakatapat yung camera niyo.
So alam mo na kung anong angulo mo.
Ang galing iba talaga.
Alam mo na kung sino sinisihil pag ito lang yung tenga mo lang.
Saka yung mga off the record. Siyempre di niya narinig na off the record. So, tingnan na ba rin niya?